Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Maria, and if you're not, hello again and thank you very much for watching. So in today's video we're going to be talking about pigments, and I got a lot of these pigments from AliExpress, no less, and these are the Focallure Pigments, and I think they're really comparable to Inglot pigments because these are absolutely amazing. I've been using them for a while and I decided they're worth a video because you will see. So I'm going to do swatches and everything, and I'm going to test them on the eyes, and then I'm going to give you my final review. So if you're interested in seeing that, stay tuned and watch the video.
Okay, so it's time for the swatches, and I'm going to start from the lightest to darkest. I'm going to do the swatches on a glitter primer. This one is named Crystal. They're all a little bit chunky, but this one doesn't mix well with a mixing medium, so it's best to use it with a glitter primer. The next color is Golden Peach number 7. This one can be foiled and it's really beautiful when you foil it, but I still always use a glitter primer, I don't know why. The next one is number 2 and the color name is Tan, a beautiful, beautiful color. Next one is Rose Gold number 12. This one is beautiful as well. It can be foiled. You can use it with MAC Studio Fix or some other setting spray or mixing medium. Next one is Brown Plum number 4. And we're down to the last two. The next one is number 16 Avenue. This one is a little bit glittery, so it cannot be foiled, just like the first white one. The last one as well, it's a little bit glittery and it's not as smooth as the others. It's number 18 Midnight. So you cannot foil this one either, but with a glitter primer it looks amazing. So now it's time to test them on the eyes. I love how they look so far, so let's do that.
Okay, so you can use a brush to apply them, you can use your finger, you can use a glitter glue or a mixing medium of some kind. Today I'm going to use a brush and a glitter glue to apply them on the eyelid, and yeah, let's do that. Okay, so this is the final result. Isn't it a huge difference than the look before? So yeah, I'm really blown away by these, especially for their price, and I really highly recommend them. So yeah, that concludes this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up and please subscribe. I post videos all the time and I really hope to see you again soon. Bye!